Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you unable to log into your TikTok account because you have lost access to both your email and phone number? Thankfully, TikTok can still allow you to recover your account even without those data. In this video, I will show you two quick and easy methods for you to regain access to your TikTok profile. Let's go. The first method is to report a problem directly in the TikTok app. Once you are on the app's login page, select Use Phone or Email from the options. But since you have forgotten or lost access to both, go ahead and tap on the question mark icon at the top right corner. You will then be redirected to the Report a Problem page. Now choose Logging In from the available listed topics. Next, you will be prompted to select a method on which to recover your account. You can directly choose the username you'd like to recover if it is available from the list. But in my case here, I will select TikTok username from the given options. Upon providing your username, the next page will ask for your email address in order to verify your identity. But since you don't have access to it, click on Need Help at the bottom of the page. Finally, TikTok will ask for detailed feedback with regards to your concern. Make sure to be very clear and specific when describing your issue so that the TikTok support team can assist you more efficiently. It will also be a good idea to include your current email address in your feedback so that the support team will know where to reach you. You can also attach some images or video files as proof of your account ownership. After that, click on the Submit button to send your feedback and wait for a response from TikTok. Another method that you can try is to contact TikTok through their feedback form. You can find the link to TikTok's feedback form in the tag at the top right corner or in the description below. Now, provide your current active email address on the provided field so that they will know where to reach you. The second field on the form is for your username. Although providing the username is optional, it is better to include it on the form so that TikTok can easily verify your account. Next, select General Account Inquiry from the provided options in the Topic field. Then choose Recover Account from the submenu under Tell Us More. Afterwards, provide a detailed explanation about your concern. As I have mentioned earlier, make sure to be very specific with your description so that TikTok can effectively assist you on the matter. If you have some screenshots or other attachments that provide proof of your account, you can also attach them on the provided field. Of course, this is optional, but it can be advantageous if you want to recover your account faster. Then, submit your form upon providing all the necessary details. At this point, you will just have to wait for the response from TikTok and hopefully you will be able to recover your account by then. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.